Shopify AI Atlas Store Builder tutorial. So here I am in my Shopify dashboard, and then for example, if you want to create like custom pages for your products, what you can do is that you can use the Atlas AI Store Builder. So previously, what you can do in Atlas AI, you can create like full website themes using its AI builder, AI store builder. But recently, Atlas AI has updated its features where you cannot do full website themes anymore. But what you can do is that you can use the Atlas AI to create premium or like custom product pages. So from here, to use the Atlas AI store builder, just go ahead and search it right here. And then it should appear like this. So you have the app, click the app, and then it should open in another tab. And then we have the Atlas AI Store Builder. So you have the preview images right here. You have the description. And then you can click View Demo Store. And then you can see the demo store that is created by Atlas AI right here. But as I said, we cannot do like a full website theme anymore. But what we can do is that we can use Atlas AI to create product pages. So from here, just go ahead, click install, and then you can also see the plans right here. It has a starter plan, a group plan, and the Atlas Vault theme. I'll just go back right here, and then from here, click install, and then we can close the previous tabs. Now we have the Atlas AI Store Builder installed. We can go ahead and use this. So from here, let's just wait for it to finish loading. From here, from the setup, we need to set up the product first that we want to create. So just go ahead and insert a product right here in your products. So I already have sample products right here, but if you don't have one yet, you can go ahead and create like one or two products. And then go back to the Atlas AI Store Builder. From here, let's go ahead and add a product page right here. And then the theme that we'll be importing this to is this one, my duplicate copy of the Dawn theme. So I'm using that right now. And then from here, for the product source, let's click Shopify, and then let's go ahead and select a product. So I'll select this one, the athletic running shorts. Click select. From here, it will create the premium page or the premium product page. So we'll just wait for that to finish. Now that it's finished, we can see the photos right here. You can upload your own other photos of the same product if you have one. But since I only have this one, so I can just go ahead and click proceed. And then from here, you can customize the product page right here. So this is the premium product page for this product. You can choose some different colors, like you can choose a color gradient if you want. And then as you can see, it will be applied to your premium product page right here. Or you can choose a solid color style. And then for example, as you can see, it will be applied to your premium product page. You can choose the default color presets right here, or you can just go ahead and choose a custom color right here. So for example, we have like this light yellow color, and then you have the green color like that. And then you can also see the other features right here of your premium product page so that you can see how it looks. Then we can go to product information right here. If you want to customize the text right here, and then the most common questions like that, the visuals and media, text and interactive section, and persuasion and benefits. Once you're done, you can just click continue. Then we'll just wait for this to finish loading. Now that we have this, you just need to follow the steps right here. From here, we can just go ahead and click yes right here to use the Atlas recommended bundle. Then click next, and then you can able to fully customize the bundle later. So we'll just use this, and then the Atlas AI will create this automatically. Then let's click next again, and then what you need to do in order to be able to use this is that you need to either choose a plan for the starter plan and then the growth plan, and then you can also have the 5-day free trial right here. But if you do that, for example, I clicked on it, what we need to do is that we need to approve this so that we can use the 5-day free trial. So just click approve, and then you should go back right here to Atlas AI, and then let's just wait for this to finish loading again. So from here, the page import is now successful, and then we can click view your store so that we can see how it looks. So from here, we now have our premium product page for our athletic running shorts. And then as you can see, this is all created by Atlas AI. So we have a very unique product page right here for our athletic running shorts. And this is good to have some more engagement to the customer since they can see that the product page right here looks great instead of having just the default product page that is in Shopify. And then you can go ahead and edit this however you want right here in Atlas AI Store Builder again. But that is basically it. So that is how we can use the Shopify Atlas AI Store Builder. So I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.